Heading to the steel shop here to get some steel for my sawmill here. You see how many miles I got on this truck here. 399,705. Getting broke in. Okay, well. Inside the steel mill, or steel shop, I guess. All kinds of steel. Check out all these ants or whatever they are, termites or something. Everywhere. Anyway, I got the some metal there, and I got them cut to length here. These are for the clamps for the logs there. It's an 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 3/16. Anyway, I got these stops there, you know, when you roll the log on, and it hits these here, and then you can adjust them here. Just push them down like that, and whatever the log is, you know, it's adjustable. You got a log up here, adjust it here, wherever. I'm gonna put 4 of them in there. And there's that one and that one, and so yeah, I need to put another one down there. And someday I might hook them all together and operate them off of a lever or something, you know. But for right now, I'll just do it like that. I got a 3/8 inch bar through there, and a nut on that side. I got nut on the other side with a lock washer, and then 2 lock washers here, kind of acting like a spring on this, so you know it stays in place. And then I got these 2 nuts here locked together, and that makes it so it stays wherever you put it. It kind of acts like a spring, you know, pushing up against the post, the backstop here. Anyway, that's what I got done so far today. Not too much, but a little bit. So, I guess that's about it.